Hello everyone, I am Pranjal, roll number 2501200 from Section C. As a part of my IP course assignment, I am diving into a critical economic challenge that sits at the intersection of engineering and national policy, that is India's critical mineral dependency. From the smartphone in our pocket to the EV on our roads, everything depends on critical minerals. But here is the shocker. India currently imports nearly 100% of them. We are essentially locked out of our own high-tech future. So, why is this an existential problem for India? It is a triple threat of current account deficit, supply chain risk, and the value chain trap. As we transition to green energy, we aren't becoming independent. We are simply trading an oil bill for a mineral bill. Importing 100% of our lithium and cobalt is a massive drain on our forex reserve, keeping our current account deficit under permanent pressure. Secondly, relying on a single concentrated geography for 90% of our high tech inputs is an engineering nightmare. One geopolitical ripple or trade restriction could paralyze India's entire EV and semiconductor sectors overnight, as we have seen in the LPG crisis. Finally, India is currently a digital middleman. We export raw, low value ores but import high value refined battery cells. This loss of gross value added means billions in manufacturing revenue. The high skilled jobs are being shipped abroad. To reach a $5 trillion economy, we must stop paying the import tax on our own future. To fix this, the government has launched the National Critical Mineral Mission, backed by an allocation of Rs 16,000 crore in the recent union budget. The strategy is threefold. Firstly, exploration of 1,200 new projects to find domestic reserves. Secondly, the government has slashed custom duties on 25 critical minerals to 0%, making it cheaper to manufacture high tech goods locally. Thirdly, a new 1500 crore initiative now exists for refining and recycling e waste, turning our old gadgets into tomorrow's supply chain. By fixing our mineral supply chain, we aren't just making batteries, we are securing India's sovereignty. India is de risking its growth story and ensuring that Make in India is powered by Mind in India. I am Pranjal Nannur, and this was my analysis for the IP course. Thank you for watching.